Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. After 1.5 months, fortunately for one night, there has been rain in Delhi. And in this semi-desert area, rainfall for gardeners is very important. And in this time, it is very important because we can do pruning, repotting and grow new plants from cuttings. Make sure to write down in the comments below what new plants you have planted this season. Any yellow flowers in garden is the most important for pollination. And in our garden there are many types of yellow flowers. See this butterfly? Did you all see how to grow caterpillars into butterfly video? If not, make sure to watch it. It's very interesting. Okay, look, this is also another type of yellow flower. Do you know the name of this flower? If you know, please let us know. I cannot remember its name. This is again another kind of yellow flower. But today I will be telling you about yellow oleander plant. We have already made a video on this plant before. Yellow oleander is one of the favorite flowering plants in India. Most of the people living in India need flowers for spiritual purposes. That's why they grow this plant in their home garden. Not only that, but it also adds beauty and gives a lush green appearance to the garden. Kaner is the most common name for this divine flowering plant in India. It is mostly seen in North India. It is because it can tolerate drought and high temperatures. My mom had pruned this plant before, but in result we saw that it did not have any lateral branching. So the only reason to prune it is to maintain its height. For growing yellow oleander, you have to select a large sized earthen or a cemented pot for better growth and development of the plant. And to prepare its potting mix, make sure it has 60% well-drained garden soil, 20% organic compost and 20% fine sand. Yellow oleander plants can be propagated from seeds as well as from cuttings. For fertilizer, make sure to give cow dung compost or vegetable compost or vermicompost. And to get good amount of flowering, make sure to use banana peel fertilizer. Here my mom is giving liquid vegetable compost fertilizer. And for watering, make sure to provide adequate moisture in the soil, but do not overwater. And for sunlight requirement, make sure to give at least 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight. While taking all these things in your mind, always remember that this yellow oleander or this kaner plant is very poisonous. Every part of it is poisonous, so make sure to not let your children or any of your pets go near it. And after taking care of these plants, make sure to wash your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.